weather condition. Heater and system are available, so it can maintain the temperature within a 15 degree centigrade to 30 degree centigrade. Then there will be telematics. Telematics is the system, so it can monitor the location and lot more things from the machine. So during the service session also it give alert to the customer whenever service period will come. And also whenever theft is happening for the fuels, then it will give alert. So all the features are available in telematics. Then there is a rock breaker we are giving. This is also a optional rock breaker, so we'll give for the demo. So now we will break this stone here. So this is the impact energy we are giving, nearly 8 joules per second that impact energy is giving, so it is able to break any stone. Also, it is made by the Hardrox material, so it is designed for the long life. Okay, now you can bring the machine here, and if anyone want to see the heater and AC and also telematic system how it is running, so now live you can see in machine.
Team, I just want to share with you. Now, rock breaker can be offered as a factory fitted attachment from January onwards. So if you would like to collect orders for a factory fitted rock breaker, it's available now. The price for this is 4,15,000, the basic plus GST and other applicable taxes. Right? The rock breaker you can offer to customers. So I think this will help us get more orders. And AC cabin also, and our AC cabin has a heater also.